Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the microphone in your phone, Samsung Galaxy A20e. We start by turning off the phone. Never clean your phone while it's turned on because you could damage it. We need a small brush, a toothbrush with fairly long, flexible bristles so that they return to their original position. The bristles should be soft or medium hard, otherwise you might scratch the phone. We need isopropyl alcohol. It should be 100% pure so that it first softens the dirt for us and then evaporates without leaving any trace. Because if it's of lower quality, it will simply leave marks, so it will just clog things up again. What you just cleaned will get dirty again, so it defeats the purpose. You can buy a whole set like this on Allegro or Amazon if you need it, or you can use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure, as I said, that the bristles are either soft or medium. Medium hardness, definitely not hard, because otherwise you'll scratch your phone, and that would also make no sense. So we start by thoroughly wetting the toothbrush with alcohol. After wetting the toothbrush, I took my phone. Here we have the microphone. Here's a little hole next to the buzzer and next to the port. And we need to clean that little hole, so move the brush about 10 times in one direction, then 10 times in the other direction. Then up and down, also 10 times each, and the sides 10 times each as well. And it's best to repeat this for each side. Repeat this 2 to 3 times in each direction, moving it those 10 times to get the microphone perfectly clean. We've finished with this microphone, but there's another one on the other side. It's also worth cleaning that one. Here we have this little hole because it is responsible, for example, for noise cancellation, ambient sounds, or even for recording with the voice recorder. So it is definitely best to carefully and thoroughly clean both of the microphones whenever you are performing your regular maintenance, so that your phone continues to function perfectly and without any issues. Also 10 times in each direction. This process should be more than enough to completely and thoroughly sanitize both microphones, so that they both function perfectly without any technical issues. After cleaning, set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the isopropyl alcohol to evaporate, and only then can you turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would appreciate a thumbs up, likes, and subscriptions, and see you in my next video.